Hello guys, how are you? Chef Bernie here. It's been a while. Gosh, time has gone by quick with all the things that's happening. So how are you guys? Hope you're okay and your family and everybody is okay and you all COVID free and we're ready to get back on track and do what we do best. Hope all you guys are gonna be able to see your loved ones and spend the Christmas with them. So I'm gonna share two recipes with you, and this one is with my garlic sauce, and I'm gonna make Brussels sprouts with chestnuts. I know not everybody loves Brussels sprouts, but I'm gonna do it my own Caribbean style. Usual with some shallots, some butter, garlic sauce, the chestnuts, and just make it give it a little spice up because it's Christmas, you know? So the next one is kind of like a Christmas pudding and a mince pie. So it has cinnamon, it has nutmeg, it has mixed peel, it has currants, it has sultanas, it has cardamom, Cayenne peppers, it has all the Caribbean spices, and it's gonna be a little treat, sweet, but you could have it with ice cream or you have it with custard. It's Christmas, you could have it whatever you want. Sorry, I was smiling because Caroline is picking up the ingredients for me and showing me and waving it in the back, so. Right, so this has the cardamom, the cayenne peppers, the lemon peel, the cinnamon, the sugar, and the vinegar. So there you go. I call it pudding in a jar. Good to go. So as you can see, the fluid is all around it. And all you do is put the cap on so that makes a vacuum. And it sucks it in. To get the video out, subscribe to my channel and press the like button so we can share it with everybody and we all have a good Christmas. And I want to thank you guys for all your support since the lockdown, for buying on the online shop. I really appreciated that, and you guys are amazing, and I hope you all have a wonderful Christmas. And then so that come 2021, we all will see each other in the show again. Thank you guys and have a good Christmas. Ho, ho, ho.